Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes, and welcome to a brand new video. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back, my loves. So today we are doing a second video for my monthly stash or pass video. So pretty much what I do is I just sit here, usually have a glass of wine, but girl, it is almost 3 o'clock and it's a little early for me to drink wine. I haven't had dinner. Mom is getting here today from Mexico. I'm starving, and I know that if I have a little bit of alcohol in my system with no food, it's not good. So anyways, we're not drinking wine, but you already know, grab your cafecito, get cozy, get comfy, grab some notes because y'all are gonna want to hear this, okay? And with that said, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with fragrance. First, I have two products that I wanted to share with you guys from Bath & Body. This is a scent that they recently released. It is the Butterfly. Oh my goodness, you guys. So for Mother's Day, me and my daughter went shopping, and I got the entire collection for us. So I got myself the body spray, the lotion, as well as the body wash. And then she got the lotion. No, she got the bath wash or the bubble bath, something like that, the body spray and the lotion. Yeah. She didn't get the shower gel just because she's little and this stuff has a lot of like fragrance in it. So I have been using this non-stop. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell from the spray itself, but I've used so much. You can definitely tell from the lotion. And this is literally the day of Mother's Day, and we're really closing out the month of May. This scent is amazing. It has the notes here: raspberry nectar, iris petals, and airy vanilla. It's definitely sweet, so if you're not a sweet scented person, you're not gonna like this. But when you layer these products together, the body wash and then the lotion and then the spray, oh my gosh, my husband always compliments me when I apply this. Like, he loves it when I wear this. So every time I shower, this has been just like my go-to combination. I'm kind of like weird when it comes to like showering, and I like to layer products, make sure that they all have very similar like scents so they can layer nicely together. I have done a video on like my shower routine, but I love these, and I think they still have their sale going on where it's like buy 3 get 3 free or something like that. So it was a pretty good deal, and I am obsessed with the scent. I even have a small little travel lotion because I love it that much. I have one blush to share with you guys, and it's one that I'm wearing on my cheeks right now. It is the MAC Grand Glow Play Blush. I feel like I get so tongue twisted with my aligners because my tongue, like, it hits the back of the aligners, and I can't talk. I can't talk as it is. But anyways, I've had this in my possession for a little bit over yeah, probably close to a month. I think I bought it towards the beginning of May. But MAC is one of those brands that I don't really use. I like it, but I don't really use it that often. And so I went to a Ulta that is pretty close to my house. It's not the typical Ulta that I always go to, but they have a lot of MAC products. So I had been really tempted to try this blush. This one has a really fun texture to it. It's like a bouncy putty cream. Do you guys see that, how it leaves the fingerprint? It's such a unique formula, and it's not incredibly pigmented. It's almost like a light to buildable medium coverage, but it has such a beautiful natural glow to it. It looks really pretty on top of makeup, under makeup. I personally wear it on top of my makeup just because it is more of a light blush, but it's so pretty on the skin, and I love how it gives you that really pretty flush of color. They have like 2 or 3 other shades, I believe, and I really want to get me another one because I genuinely like the formula. I'm looking for somewhere to clean my hands because I have the bad habit of just like wiping it on my shorts, but I'm actually like not dressed up, but I have an outfit. So yeah, this is a really nice blush. Do you absolutely need it? No, but I think if you enjoy this formula, then I think it's really nice. If you know, you know, MAC is pretty expensive. So that's all I have to say about that one. Let's move on to a brush that I've actually been using a lot with my cream blushes. This is the Real Techniques Tapered Cheek Brush. It's this one right here. As you can see, it has a nice tapered edge, so this hugs the cheek perfectly. It's the one that I use in combination with the MAC blush. When you apply it, it just really hugs like the cheekbones, and it just gives you such a beautiful like application. It doesn't leave any streaks, or like it doesn't shed a lot of hairs, which I really appreciate, and it's an affordable brand. I got mine at Ulta. Another brush that I wanted to mention is the one from Morphe. It's their new M610 highlighting brush, which is part of their like bronze collection. I've spoken about this in my Ulta and Sephora haul. If you guys want to watch that, I will have a link up here. But this is such a beautiful brush. I really, really like it. Just the way that it sits on the cheeks. Like, this is perfect for just applying the lightest amounts. I feel like every other brush that I have, it's either too round or too big, and it overlaps and it takes over like the cheekbone area when I mainly wanted to focus on the highest point of my cheekbone. And this one will do that, just that. It gets right in here. If you go on top of your brow as well, even on the bridge of the nose, this is perfect for just applying the smallest and thinnest amount of highlight right here and on the tip of the nose as well as the chin. So this is what I use to highlight the skin, and I love this one so much. Surprisingly, I don't have a lot of products like I mentioned earlier, but these are just products that I genuinely was reaching for. Really quickly, I just wanted to touch base on some skincare. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Whitelist Water Cream. It claims to have a 72 hour hydration. This is the new, but this, I mean, it's new, but it's not like new. CoverGirl releases a few months ago, and I was lucky enough to be part of like, not their campaign, but I was like involved with them, and it was really fun. It was a good time. So they sent me over pretty much the entire skincare line, and out of everything, this one and the mattifying one is my favorite. But right now, y'all, my skin is crazy. It goes through like ups and downs. It's a whole roller coaster out here with my skin. Sometimes I break out, it's really textured, it's oily, it's dry. It's like, oh my goodness, what is going on? So I actually just ordered me a little tub of some biotin to see if that will help like kind of like regulate my skin. I'm like, is it the 30s? Is it because I'm like 32 that my skin is just like going crazy? What is going on? I don't know what it is, but you know, I'm just, it is what it is, and I have to deal with it. So anyways, I love this cream. I think this one's maybe around $15, so it is a little bit pricier for like a drugstore and CoverGirl, but it is so nice. It is such a lightweight, I want to describe it as like a cloud texture. It's really interesting. It has a scent, but it's very like light and airy, so it's not bothersome, and it's just the consistency is, I don't know how to describe it, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but I really, really, really like it, and it just sinks into the skin, and it doesn't leave me greasy or feeling heavy. One concealer that I've been reaching for so much is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer, and I am in the shade G Medium 1. This is one of those concealers that hardly creases on me. It does claim to be creaseless and transfer proof. Again, I think it just really depends on your skin, but I have a lot of little, like small little wrinkles underneath my eyes, and everything in the world creases under my eyes. But this one, I just noticed that it takes a while. It is full coverage, but it also feels really light on the skin, and it does a great job at covering any darkness, any blemishes. I really like to use this one when I'm wearing like more of a natural look. If I'm using a tinted moisturizer, but I need a little extra coverage, then I will go in with this one and just kind of like spot conceal, and then go over with my, you know, whatever foundation or tint and moisturizer, and it really makes a difference. I wanted to shout out a lipstick, even though it is new to my collection. Like, this is a formula that I am familiar with, and if you are looking for the perfect hot girl summer lipstick shade, this color is so beautiful. The NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in the shade Kitten Heels. It is the most stunning red orange shade. If you are my skin tone or even deeper, girl, run to Ulta and get this. This is going to look chef's kiss on you. It's so pretty. I wore it in one of my recent videos, and oh my goodness, like, I couldn't stop looking at myself. I was like, who is she? And by the way, this tutorial is the one that I filmed in that video. I'm just doing a lot of pre-filming because a girl is going on vacation. Moving on to brows, the Thick It Stick It NYX Technique Brow Mascara. Whoo, girl, this has changed my life. Ever since I started laminating my brows at home, I love that my hairs just naturally like stick up. But when I go in with any like product to laminate them for the day when I'm doing them, I always get that white flakiness, and I want my brows to look as natural as possible, especially for those no makeup days. So I've been going in with this one and just kind of like lightly going over my brows just to get rid of that flaky white residue. And wow, this really does a great job at thickening the brows because it has little like fibers. I am in the shade Espresso, by the way. It has little fibers, kind of like the Benefit one, and it just really grips onto every little hair, and it makes your brows look so thick. I love the color. It's perfect. It's not too dark and it's not too light, and it just stays put all day. The last two products that I have to mention, one is a strobe cream by Glow or Revolution Glow. This is the Beam Light in the shade Bronze. This one is so nice. If you, again, like to wear little to no makeup, but you still want like a very dewy look, especially for us oily skin girls, I really recommend this one because it is super light. It's not greasy, and that's the issue that I have with a lot of these strobe creams, is that they're so heavy that you can't use it underneath the makeup, at least for me that I'm oily, because it just makes me so oily towards the end, and it's very thick and heavy, and this one doesn't. As you can see, it melts onto the skin really nicely, but it still leaves a little bit of that glow. And then once you go in with a tinted moisturizer, my favorite one has been the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. Oh my gosh, my skin looks so nice. I still have to like mattify it around the T-zone area, but the rest of my skin, I just kind of like let it be, and it looks so pretty. I might be doing like I don't know, like a super fresh summer skin using this, so I can show you guys how I put it to use because I really like it. The last product that I have here is the Fenty Beauty Bronzer Palette. This is the stalk'r Face and Eye Bronzer Highlighter Palette. So it comes with 5 different shades to bronze, and then it comes with 2 little highlighters. Now you can also use this for your eyes, which is such a genius concept. Like, not only can you use this to contour bronze, obviously, but the fact that you can use it for your eyes, I think, is amazing. If you are a minimalist and you like to use as little products as possible, this is something that I think you would really like. Obviously, if you can't find your shade, then no, but I feel like it has a pretty good shade range. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. But this one, like, you can create such a beautiful smoky eye using such a deep color, and then, you know, add these as a pop of highlight. So love the formula. I love Fenty. I love what they represent, and it's just been a product that I've been really enjoying. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All of these products are definitely making it into my stash, and surprisingly, we don't have anything to pass on the month of May. Like, there wasn't a product that I was like highly disappointed in. So as always, let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite product for the month of May was. What is that one product that you just keep going back to? It doesn't have to be makeup. It can be anything. Even it can be like health, workout, anything like that. Drop it in the comment section down below so I can check it out, and maybe I can feature it in my next video. I love you all. Stay safe out there, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!